Good morning, students. Welcome to your English grammar class. Students of class 10, in last WhatsApp class, we have discussed kinds of sentences. And in those classes, we have discussed kinds of a sentence on the basis of a clause. And we have discussed simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Students, in simple sentence, we have discussed kinds of a simple sentence, and in that class, I have already told you simple sentence are of four types. What you have been told, that is your declarative sentence, that is otherwise known as statement, or what? Your statements. And I have already discussed in that class your interrogative sentences, and I have already told you interrogative sentence can be divided into two types: your WH words interrogative sentence and yes or no interrogative sentences. And you know, students, in interrogative sentences we know how to change a declarative sentence into interrogative sentences. I have already told you a declarative sentence can be changed into your interrogative sentence, putting the or keeping your auxiliary verb into first position. And in that yes or no interrogative sentence, if we add a WH words, it will be changed a WH words interrogative sentences. Students, let us discuss today exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentence, first I give you some examples of exclamatory sentences. What an excellent singer she is. How beautiful she sings. What I told you, these two sentences which expresses the feelings of admiration and surprise, called exclamatory sentences. Means exclamatory sentence expresses sudden feelings or admiration. These sentences begin with what or how, and there is usually a mark of exclamation at the end of these sentences. Exclamatory sentence can't be changed into negative sentences. Students, I give you a sentence. We cannot say, what a stupid boy he is not. That means this is not acceptable. This sort of a sentence cannot be accepted, because no exclamatory sentence is in negative format. That means no exclamatory sentence can be expressed in a negative format. Okay, exclamatory sentence cannot be changed into negative sentence. What I told you, one cannot say, what an excellent singer he is not. What I told you, another example. Nor we can say, how beautiful she is not. She does not sing. But the types of a sentence such as declarative, imperative, and interrogative can be turned into negative sentence. That means except exclamatory sentence, declarative sentence, imperative sentence, and interrogative sentence can be changed into negative sentences. The above exclamatory sentence, what I told you, can be turned into declarative sentences. She is an excellent singer. She sings very beautiful. Similarly, declarative sentence can be changed into exclamatory sentence. Students, first I give you a declarative sentence. He is very stupid. This sentence can be changed into exclamatory sentence. How stupid he is. Students, you remember one thing, and it is a very important thing. That means when and how, what or how is used to change while changing a declarative sentence into exclamatory sentences. Students, you remember one thing. If your adjective is used predicatively, or there is the adjective which is used in predicative use, how is used to change declarative sentence into exclamatory sentence. Similarly, I give you another sentence which is declarative. He is a very stupid boy. He is a very stupid boy. Here, stupid boy, stupid is adjective, and your adjective is used attributively. That means if adjective is used attributively here and a or an is there, we can change this declarative sentence into exclamatory sentence using what? For example, he is a very stupid boy. If this is a sentence changed into exclamatory sentence, it will be what a stupid boy he is, and exclamation mark will be given. Okay, students, I give you some examples, some questions. You try your best to answer them. Thank you all.